Thanks for tuning in on purpose. Here in this video, you will watch me wash and retie my toddler's locks.
I'm gonna go do my hair today.
I'm about to do it now. I'm about to wash it.
I will make it better for you. Why those ears? Why up with your face? You got a boo-boo with it. It's okay. And bandage and a kiss with it. I'm styling, Mom. What's going on, y'all?
I'm about to get my hair done by my mom.
I'm about to get my hair done with my mom. So I'm about to give you a gang.
Gang. What?
Yeah.
We are using
Yeah.
this one. I got you lay down in my hand. What we about to do now?
Mommy, my mom about to do my hair.
How I'm about to do your hair?
Mommy,
How I'm about to do it?
take my dreads off.
Take your dreads off.
Yeah. What's this? Somewhere when the dead face, when the knife falls, and the knife face, in the pillow, I was getting further you. What TikTok?
TikTok ain't on that phone.
Yes. TikTok again. It's TikTok.
TikTok is on there?
Yeah.
How many of you know that your job with a toddler is never done? He's busy, busy, busy. And by the way, here in this video, he's only 3. So I am crocheting this lock in, and I'm going through the middle, and then I'm going to crochet at a diagonal angle to both the left and the right, and that makes it so where there are no like straight lines on the scalp. Also, if you have any loose hairs, you can always just hand roll them in, or you can also crochet needle those loose hairs through the lock itself and do some hand rolling at the end to secure it. When you have locks, hand rolling is going to be your best friend. It is going to keep your locks nice and together. All the loose hairs that you may see, a little hand rolling with a little moisturizer and water will maintain those. No, your locks do not have to have a specific parting style for them to be nice and neat. You can also have free form, but like I said, hand rolling is your best friend. If you do have a specific parting pattern for your locks, it would be best for you to go more frequently to keep your parts nice and clean. But if you don't mind a little hairs here and there, just let them go and let them flow free as you want. I try not to do too much pulling if the hairs have combined with another lock and the part is no longer straight. Just let your hair do what it's gonna do. It's all beautiful. This lock here, after I crocheted it, there were lots of loose hairs, so I just took them in like a 3-strand method and did a plait braid and then did some hand rolling to secure it. Now this lock right before his ear, it used to be 2 locks, but I started his locks when he was almost 2 years old, so that one in the front was really, really thin, so I combined the first 2 together to make it one large one. I don't like them being really small because sometimes the locks tend to not maintain their density, you know how thick they are, and they can become really thin and they can break off. So I would prefer to combine the locks and make them bigger rather than smaller. And again, I braided the hairs in and did some hand rolling.
I want to be done.
I know you want to be done, and I want you to be done.
My hand is cold.
I know.
Say you need some gloves on.
I'm gonna warm them up on you. You gonna keep my hands on. You the gloves. You the gloves. Shut up. You got 4 more left. Chase.
Look at his face. At this point, he and I are both over doing his hair. It's been a couple hours now. This is the first time that I've crocheted them after going from a comb twist method. So yeah, we're done. You're done. Make sure to subscribe. See you next time.